What's the meaning of carbon neutral? Carbon neutral. Carbon neutral.
Carbon neutral. Carbon neutral. Carbon neutral refers to the state of achieving a balance between the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere and the amount removed or offset. This is typically done by reducing carbon emissions as much as possible through various methods, and then offsetting any remaining emissions by investing in carbon reduction projects or other initiatives. The ultimate result of achieving carbon neutrality is a sustainable and environmentally conscious future, where carbon emissions are minimized and long-term ecological stability is prioritized.